Hello, welcome to today's live. Is it live yet? Oh, it's something wrong with today's live feed. Let's see. Tell me when you see it pops up. Welcome to today's live. There's something weird going on with my live feed today, but anyways, I hope it gets recorded. If it did not, then I will have to re-record, but let's see who's here today. Okay, it's being recorded. Okay, awesome. Yes, so still on the topic of, tax season mistakes that, almost, most business owners make, or, at some point, some of you may make these mistakes. So, as a business owner, you'll get, what this mistake is. And if you're an accountant, a tax preparer, or you're new in the tax business serving business owners, then you get some tips as well as to how you can push this information along so that they'll be able to save money on their taxes. And today's tip is stop being too busy. And I put, sometimes there's a little laziness in there, but I didn't want to call anyone lazy because I know that everyone is all busy trying to grow their business. So I'm going to use the word busy. Stop being way too busy to provide accurate information so you can get your tax deduction. Now, what I mean by this is a lot of times as CPAs and accountants, we get the information, you look at it and you're like, oh my God, what is this? Or that, you have to keep pressing to get other information. And at times it will annoy the client. I've got experience where, it seems very annoying, but it's better for you to keep pressing to get that information so that, if that it's going to save them money to keep pressing for that information. I have examples where, I know that about, $10,000 to $12,000 of expenses were missing. And, if I didn't keep pressing to get that information, then the business owner will not be able to, write that off, on their tax return to get that deduction. So as business owners, don't be too busy and lose money by, not writing off everything on your taxes. So you can't be too busy to save money because you work hard for your money. So it's time for you to spend that extra hour so that you can put your information together correctly. There are other instances where, people, their square footage for their home office deduction is not correct. And that, you have this big old house. I know that your home office space is much bigger than this. Or can you just FaceTime me, let me see your home office space so that I can tell you how much it is so that you can increase your deduction, because these numbers that you're sending to me are completely crazy. So as accountants, what else my advice to the accountants that I mentor is just always keep pressing, always send that extra information. Even if they see you as annoying, they're going to thank you later, because once you're able to show them how you were able to increase their deduction by this by being annoying, or how you were able to increase their deduction by what you're doing, then they will appreciate it after the fact. So even if you do come across as annoying because you keep requesting the same information, I have sometimes that I copy and paste the same question over and over again if I feel like my question is being ignored and I know that it should have an impact. So, as tax advisors, just keep doing that and keep pressing, because once the return is fine, Deborah, Karen, thank you guys for tuning in. Once that return is filed and they're able to see that they save money, they're gonna actually thank you. So for business owners, the business owners that are watching, and then for the clients, the ones that that I pressed too much and I was a little annoying, you can go ahead and don't be afraid to comment. You may not want to call yourself out, but you can comment and show me a little love for being a little annoying, but I got you some extra deductions. But anyways, for business owners, it's never too busy to save. You can never be too busy to save money in your taxes, or stop being a little too lazy. Just go ahead and put that extra 30 minutes in so that you can save some money. And that's it for today. The tax season tip is stop being too busy to save money on your taxes. Put that information together so that you can answer the questions correctly, and don't think that your accountant is being too annoying if it's just still asking your question, because in the end, it's for your good and it will save you money. Have a good day.